Hello guys, welcome to the channel Cooking Caribbean.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked that. Thank you for asking. So I'm Chef Alex and this is my YouTube channel. This is the first video that we're doing and I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe. Our aim is to reach 100 subscribers by the year 2030. Yeah, so today we're making brown stew chicken. Very easy to make. All you have to do is just follow my instruction and you'll get it to how you see it in the beginning. So you want to start by marinating your chicken. You can use any all-purpose seasoning that you like. And you're gonna add some pepper, you're gonna add some brown into it, and you're gonna add some paprika. And then you're going to saute it into the pan. You're gonna brown it in the pan. Make it get some color. And then we go add some chopped onion and garlic and pimento and ginger, everything in it. We'll go toss up that with some onions and carrots and some market vegetables, and then we'll go cook it down in some ketchup and some hot pepper sauce. And you'll go see how it turn out. Alright, so you see the right here, so now right here, so is an important part. So you want to add back the pre-cooked chicken into the sauce. And you're going to let this cook down for a little while. You're going to let it simmer to develop some flavor. And then afterwards, you're going to see how wonderful it is. So in the meantime, while we're enjoying this video, you see a rice looks shelly. I want you guys to really consider subscribing to the channel. We really want to grow and your support will definitely help us grow. So if you like, you could also share it with your friends and family.
Yeah, boy.